everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the Beads of the Month Club from Adornable Elements. I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2-hole Beads of the Month. You can use the coupon code below BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your first order from them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, and they also have a double one for $39.95 per month. And they also have quite a few other Beads of the Month Club subscriptions from them, so you should go check them out. And this is what we have. This is for June. Look at these beauties. So I have, this is the Hot and Trendy Beads, and this is the 2-hole beads. Oh. So, and this Hot and Trendy one is called Ocean's Crown. I just cut my finger. I was slicing an apple. So, I had to put on a Band-Aid. I'm like, of course, I'm about to film a video, and I can't. Okay, so we're going to take these out. Never disappointed in these beads. Okay. So we're going to go with RNG. PTL. BRI. SPK. Mesh. RZ. CT. And okay. So now I have all these set up. So for the first one, this is Crystal Magic Golden Rainbow Ring. There's 10 pieces. Let me pull this out. I'm running a little late. My credit card had expired the expiration date, and so they couldn't run my credit card, so that's why I'm late. I had to send in my new information. Oh, look at how pretty these are. So pretty. Oh, I love these. I have some really cool ideas for these kind of rings. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those, how pretty they are. Crystal Magic Golden Rainbow Ring. 10 pieces for $2.75. Okay. Put those in there. Let me get my little container so I can put them in there. So that's number 1. Number 2 is the white terracotta blue rose petal, 30 pieces. Try not to scratch that. Oh, so look at these. I love their beads. They're so pretty. Yeah, anybody that's into sewing or, you know, is looking for different beads that you can't find anywhere else, this is a great website for that. We have those. Next, I have the Backlit Spectrum Briolettes. I don't know if they'll come out of here. Oh, yeah, they do. Okay. So look at this. This is one side. This must be the back side. Oh, so pretty. Briolettes are really pretty. You can use them to make all kinds of stuff. You can use them to make pendants, you know, or you can use them for a flower, you know, so many different ideas. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just stacking those so they're not in the way. And next is Jet Green Luster Mini Spikes, 25 pieces. Get most of them out. Look how pretty they are. Love, love, love them. And they're so well made too. Like the holes are well made and just, they're very exact. They're not like odd shaped, or one's a little smaller than the other, or whatever. I mean, these are very well quality made beads. And next is olive gold rainbow mushrooms. Oh, I love these. I did a really cool, trying to get them out. I did a really cool, like a flower bead. And what I did was I just put the string through there and I tied it, and it kind of made this puffy little flower. It was so pretty. So this is olive gold rainbow mushroom, 30 pieces. So pretty. I love the different colors in this, it almost makes it look like there's different textures, because when you get the colors, absolutely gorgeous. And next is the Peridot Labrador Matte Rizzo, 7 grams. Oh, look at these babies. Look at them. They're green on one side and silver on the other. So pretty. Absolutely love this. Imagine putting these together. Imagine the colors, you know, between the green and the silver. You could do a lot with these. Fill in that little spot if you have the one spot where you need a little dagger or something. Okay, now we have these gorgeous. Whew. And these are 2-hole. Look at these, how pretty they are. So some of them have like a white in the middle, and some of them have more of a dark. It's just kind of depends on what you look at. So pretty. Kind of reminds me of like nuts and bolts. And the color. Chalk Blue Luster Octo. So pretty. And last but not least, this, I'm gonna have to pop the lid off for these babies. They're packed so well too. Oh, look at these gorgeous. Aqua Silk Travertine Table Cut Flowers, 5 pieces. These are gorgeous. And there's one hole. Where's it at? I saw it. There it is. The one hole's on the top. Oh, so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, put that in there. So I have all of these. This was the hot and trendy. And now we will get to the 2-hole bead. Okay, next is the 2-hole beads of the month club, the cornfields. Oh, so pretty. Just gonna kind of squeeze them. I'm trying to keep that piece of paper in there. When I put those back in there, I know what's what. Okay. I love the way they label these. Okay, so KHP, TNS, where's RSA, GNK, oh, gorgeous, DGR, DRD, PD, and U. Okay, so we're going to start with the first one, dark bronze, Cheops, Parpucos. I think it's Cheops. Might be pronouncing that wrong, I'm not really sure. look at these, how pretty these are. They have 2 holes that run parallel on the sides. Look at how pretty that color is. Dark bronze. Almost has like a mocha look to it. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. Next is pastel light brown Tinos Parpucas. Oh, these are so much fun to work with. I love this little shape. There's 2 holes. These kind of remind me, I don't know, I'm probably dating myself. When I was a kid, we used to get that big box with the wooden blocks in it, and they were pretty big, you know, for like a 2- and 3-year-old. And I remember there was a couple of the blocks that were this shape. If you remember that, I don't know what those were called. There was a certain, but we all had them growing up. But yeah, so there was a couple that were that shape. So yeah, I love the colors of these. Pastel light brown. Oh, it comes like a cream de mint. And next is the pastel blue Rosetta. These are really pretty. Get those. And the holes go through the side right there. How pretty those are. I love the colors together. I like these 2 colors together. Such beautiful little roses. And number 4 is Limon Capri Gold Matte Batik Ginkgo. 7 grams for $3.25. These are cool. Look at the color on here. They almost look like, so that's the one side. And then when you flip it over, it's so cool. It looks almost like a retro jigsaw puzzle. I guess that's like just so cool. Love these. That's what I love about this bead subscription. It's beads that you would never find in a store. And most places, I don't think you could buy some of these online. And then you get these. So gorgeous. And there's 2 holes. They run on either opposite ends. And next is Amber Full Matte Daggers, 25 pieces. Oh, I'm going to have to open this up. I have to bring it over here because I don't want it to explode. Here it comes. And these are 2-hole. 2-hole daggers are really nice because they can give you a lot of control when you're creating things. You know, because you can make things a little more exact because you have that 1 hole. You sew everything around, and then when you go into the 2nd hole, that's not moving, whatever you're making. So that's what I love about these. Such a pretty color, too. Absolutely gorgeous. And next is Crystal Brown Rainbow Drop Duos, 40 pieces. Oh, so pretty. You know, you wonder, how do they take a bead so small and put 2 holes in it? I was showing my dad these, and he's like, I can't even see the holes, although he's 89, so. But, yeah, I mean, look at that. The 2 holes that run like that. So pretty. I love the AB finish on them. Rainbow finish. I call it AB. So pretty. And next is the Opaque Yellow Rembrandt Paisley Duos. Oh, these are so... Oh, please don't let me drop any of these on the floor. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, look at these. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the color on there. Rembrandt is a good name for this. And it's got a sheen to it. So when you kind of move it around. Oh, love these. Love, love, love these. And last but not least, these are so much fun. Opal Blue Matte Super Duos. 12.5 grams. Look at these. Oh. Love them. Look at that color. Oh. Matches well with, not totally, but pretty much. These are shiny. Those are mattes, so they will definitely look like a different color just because matte versus shiny. But oh my gosh, look at that. It looks like candy you could eat. So pretty. So that is it for the June unboxing for Adornable Elements, for the Hot and Trendy and the 2-hole beads. I hope you enjoyed this. I will definitely be doing a tutorial. I'm a couple months behind my tutorials for Adornable Elements. I have some stuff I've created, and I'm going to do just a finished jewelry tutorial for the last 2 months. So sorry about that. It's just so much stuff going on. So yes, but I love this box. So if you are thinking about ordering it, don't forget to use the code BNJewelry10 for 10% off on your order, your first order with them. And their customer service is excellent. Every time I've messaged them, they've gotten right back to me. So yes. So you go ahead and do that, and I will leave the links below to everything along with my social media below if you'd like to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or at my Etsy store. And I will see you guys in my next video. You take care and you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.